Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will learn some new words along with their meanings. We will also make some sentences by using these words. So let us begin. The first word is park. P-A-R-K, park. Park means public garden. Public garden. Let us make a sentence by using the word park. The park near my house has a big playground. The park near my house has a big playground. The next word is cookies. C-O-O-K-I-E-S, cookies. Cookies means biscuit. Let's make a sentence. The cookies which your mother baked are very delicious. The cookies which your mother baked are very delicious. The next word is breakfast. B-R-E-A-K-F-A-S-T, breakfast. Breakfast means the first meal of the day in the morning. The first meal of the day in the morning. I had eggs for breakfast this morning. I had eggs for breakfast this morning. The next word is toddler. T-O-D-D-L-E-R, toddler. Toddler means a child who is 1 to 3 years old. A child who is 1 to 3 years old. Let's make a sentence. Those toddlers are just learning to speak in complete sentences. Those toddlers are just learning to speak in complete sentences. The next word is vacant. V-A-C-A-N-T, vacant. Vacant means empty. Empty. Let's make a sentence. The house has been vacant for a year. The house has been vacant for a year. The next word is glimpse. G-L-I-M-P-S-E, glimpse. Glimpse means a quick look. A quick look. Let's make a sentence. I had a glimpse of my teacher in the crowded shopping center. I had a glimpse of my teacher in the crowded shopping center. Let's see the next word. The next word is skill. S-K-I-L-L, skill. Skill means an ability to do something well. an ability to do something well. Let's see a sentence. His cooking skills are good. His cooking skills are good. The next word is usually. U-S-U-A-L-L-Y. Usually. Usually means often. Often. Let's make a sentence. He usually arrives at the office at 8 a.m. He usually arrives at the office at 8 a.m. Let's see the last word. The last word is carnival. C-A-R-N-I-V-A-L. Carnival. Carnival means a celebration or fair. A celebration or fair. The sentence is: the people were dancing in the streets during the carnival. The people were dancing in the streets during the carnival. So friends, in today's video, we learned some new words, their meanings, and some sentences. Now, read all these words along with the meaning and sentences again. Write in your notebook and try to make some more new sentences by using these words. See you in the next video. Till then, thank you. Bye.